Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we are doing yet again another huge Temu haul. I am so excited about this one. So many great finds. I know I say that in every video, but I am honestly obsessed with everything that I got and I can't wait to show you guys. Also, let's go ahead and address the elephant in the room. Yes, I have completely different hair now. I chopped it and I also went back to basically my natural color. I just could not take the bleach anymore. My hair was honestly very damaged and I just needed a change. So yeah, I have short hair. I'm still getting used to it. I'm still like learning how to style it because it's really so much different than long hair, especially for me. I have naturally wavy kind of curly hair, so it definitely is very different. But anyways, before we get into the actual haul, I just want to say if you're going to be shopping on Temu, you can go ahead and get a $100 coupon bundle. That's for all users. And then new users can get an extra 90% off. And you can claim that by searching this code right here. Or you can also claim it by clicking the Temu link in my description bar. I'm going to have that right down below. So yeah, if you want to get some savings, go ahead and search this code right here. Or like I said, just go ahead and download the link in my description bar. Enough chit chatting. Let's go ahead and get into this haul. Okay, so I want to start off with one of my favorites, and it is kind of a dupe. So it's this bag right here. I am honestly obsessed with it. It is so cute. I love all the detail, and then I love that it has the chain link right here. So this one is kind of a dupe for the YSL bag. Obviously it's not exactly spot on, like it doesn't have the logo or anything like that, but it's pretty similar, and I cannot get over the quality of this bag, you guys. It's honestly amazing. You can also wear it like this, so you can wear it short, or you can change the strap like that and make it long. So I love that. I'll probably wear it more like this because I do prefer like a shorter bag, but yeah, I just cannot get over this. I honestly wasn't expecting much from this bag, but I'm completely blown away. So you just open it up in the front. That's what it looks like on the inside there. Don't mind the paper. I actually haven't used this yet, so that's still in there. But it's honestly pretty big. You do get 2 different compartments as well, so I love that. Just everything about this bag I'm in love with, especially for the price. You really can't beat it. And like I said, quality-wise, it's amazing. I can't remember right now if they had different colors or like designs, but I love the all black. I think it looks so sleek. I cannot wait to use this. Right, next I have another purse, and it's this one right here. Now this one I wouldn't exactly call a dupe, but it definitely gives me like Dior saddlebag vibes a little bit. I think it's so cute. I just love the all black, and then it does have some gold hardware on the sides there as well. And even though it's obviously a very simple and basic bag, I love the shape of it. Yeah, it's just like a really nice kind of everyday bag. And again, you guys, quality wise, this is amazing. This one just opens up in the front. It does have a zipper. For it being kind of a smaller bag, there's actually quite a bit of room. And it also does come with a longer strap as well, which is nice. One thing about me, I love bags and shoes. It's like 2 of my favorite things to buy, and I feel like you can just never have enough of them. So this haul is definitely very bag and shoe heavy, just to let you know. But yeah, I am just super impressed with both of these bags. Like I said, especially for the price, you just can't beat it, and I think they're both gonna be just like the perfect everyday bag. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to shoes now. I'm gonna start out with these actually. So these ones are a dupe for the Studio Amelia heels, and honestly, you guys, they look basically the exact same. So I'm gonna try to show you guys up close here so you can really see, but they're just a strappy heel. It's what they look like in the front there. I think they're honestly such a cute, like going out summer shoe. So pretty. Quality wise, I'm over the moon. They're really nice. I got my regular size, which is a size 6. They fit perfectly. Sometimes when it comes to strappy heels, I get a little bit worried that sometimes they can almost like chafe the back of your foot, but these ones, they're almost like a stretchy, rubbery feel to them, so they're actually pretty comfy on the foot, which I love. And I really like that it's a square toe at the front. I don't really have too many shoes like that, and I think it's super cute. Also, when it comes to the heel itself, if you're wondering if it's like extremely high or uncomfy to walk in, it's actually not that bad at all. These are such a great summer shoe. I know summer's kind of basically over now, but I'll still be wearing these into the fall because we still do have those, you know, nicer fall days. So yeah. Okay, next I went ahead and I picked these up right here. So they're just a chunky sandal. I'll show you guys up close here if you can see. They're actually really pretty. I don't have anything like these, and I think they're just such a fun little sandal. And I think these are awesome. If you're somebody that really can't walk in a typical heel, but you want a little bit of height, these are great for that. They're just a thick wedge, so they're gonna be comfy to walk in, but you also get that height at the same time. And again, these ones are a dupe. So these are a dupe for the Steve Madden sandals. And it's funny, I was actually in store going to buy the Steve Madden sandals. I had them on my feet. I was like, oh, these are cute. But for some reason I was like, no, I put them back. And then I went on Temu and I found the dupes. Like genuinely pretty much the exact same. The only like big difference I can tell is kind of this little bottom part right here. It kind of just goes up, but They're basically the exact same for a fraction of the price. And you guys, these are incredibly light. Like there's nothing to these whatsoever. Sometimes when it comes to these chunkier shoes, they're super heavy and I hate that, but these are awesome. It feels like you're walking on clouds, basically. These, again, I got my regular size, which is a size 6. Again, they fit perfectly, so definitely true to size for sure. I just think these are adorable, and I think they're actually a really good shoe to kind of transition into fall with as well. So next, we have these right here. These were actually my birthday shoes. So yeah, they're definitely not like your day-to-day kind of shoe, but they're so pretty. I love them. Let me show you up close so you can actually see here, but just look at that cute little bow. And then they have that same kind of like crystally detail that goes around your ankle. These are so pretty. They have like the softest sole in them ever. It's like nice and spongy and it's just really comfy, so I love that. Again, when it comes to sizing, I got a size 6 and they're definitely true to size. So yeah, I love these. They were awesome. Like I said, I wore them for my birthday and just so cute. Okay, next, I'm a little bit sad about these. So this is what they look like here. They're just a little like ankle boot. Unfortunately, these are a little bit small on me. So they do run, I would say probably like half a size small. I got my regular size. Yeah, so I got a size 6 and they fit more like, I would say like a 5.5. So they are a tiny bit small and I don't know if I can get away with wearing them. I haven't like worn them for long. I've just tried them on, so I don't know if it would be too uncomfortable to wear. You know what I mean? I'm gonna try it. I'll try to wear them one day and see if I can get away with it, but my toes are definitely like right up here and squeezed in. So I would say if you're gonna get these, go up half a size or maybe even a full size, to be honest, if you want to, just to make sure they definitely fit. But they are so gorgeous. I love this kind of like crocodile look to them. It's so pretty. And we have this nice chunky heel, so it's easy to walk in. But yeah, I just kind of wanted a new ankle boot going into the fall time now. I honestly never really wear flat shoes, so this is kind of like a go-to shoe for me. So yeah, unfortunate that they don't fit perfectly, but I'll see if I can make it work. We'll see. And if not, I might just have to go back and get another size because these are so cute. I think I really only got like one piece of clothing in this haul, which is very surprising for me, but I got these little workout shorts right here. That's what they look like. So they're kind of like this flowy short. And then they have the, if I could find it here, they have this spandex on the inside there, which is really awesome. I think they're so cute. I don't know if I would say they're an exact dupe, but they really, really remind me of the Lululemon shorts. Quality-wise, you guys, these are incredible. So stretchy, so soft. The material itself, it just is like the softest thing I've ever felt. And then the spandex on the inside, they're not super tight and like cutting off your circulation. Just everything about these is honestly so comfy. I think they had other colors. I'm not 100% sure, but for me personally, when it comes to workout clothes or athletic wear, I pretty much just always go with black. I got these in a size extra small. They fit great, definitely true to size. And yeah, I am just over the moon with these. If you're looking for a nice, comfy athletic short or just something to even wear around the house or even out, honestly, because they are super cute, I definitely recommend these. So perfect. All right, I kind of lied. So this isn't exactly clothing, but it is a bathing suit. So this is actually a 3-piece bathing suit set. So it's just your typical bikini top, nothing too crazy about it. I love the shade of blue. It's so pretty. This with the tan is so nice. And then we have your matching bottoms right here. Again, just your basic bikini bottoms. These are pretty tiny, so they would be good to tan in. And then you get this cute little piece right here. So essentially this kind of just goes around your waist. So you tie it, if I could get it like that. So yeah, you tie it kind of like that and then wear it obviously like that. I think you guys know what I mean. You guys get it. But yeah, I couldn't help myself. Again, like I said, summer is basically over, but I love a good bathing suit, especially when it's a cute set like this. And also it was a great price as well. So yeah, love this. I got this in a size extra small and it fits wonderful. Okay, so I've been getting back into like really working out and just getting like a routine down. So I went ahead and I picked up a new waist trainer. The one that I had it for years and I just felt like it was time to get a new one, you know what I mean? I know a lot of people don't really like waist trainers and they think that they don't really work. What I'll say is I personally do think that they work, but I don't think they work on their own. I think you need to use them with working out. But I really like to use my waist trainers after I do a workout. I'll put it on, you know, it just kind of makes you sweat a little bit more. It kind of just sucks you in and yeah, that's how I like to use mine. I got mine in a size extra small and it definitely fits. When it comes to waist trainers, they are going to be super tight, but that's kind of what you want. Okay, next I got this super cute little brown belt right here. I am so happy with this. It's exactly what I was looking for. I love the shade of brown. It's a nice warm brown and then the gold buckle. I just think it's absolutely perfect. And I like that the gold isn't like a crazy super yellow kind of gold. It's It's very muted. I love belts, you guys. I definitely probably have too many, but I think they just can really pull an outfit together sometimes. If I'm like looking in the mirror and I'm like, my outfit's missing something, I'll just pop on a belt and there you go. Everything else is basically just accessories. I have like one random thing and then some makeup. So I'll actually just go ahead and show the random item first. So it's this right here. I feel like everybody has probably seen these. I'm very late on this trend, but it's one of those like Touchland dupe hand sanitizers. Just go ahead, you fill this up with some like liquid hand sanitizer and then there you go. This is basically an exact dupe for the Touchland hand sanitizers. I don't even know if we can get those in Canada, to be honest. I'm not exactly sure, but I think the Touchland ones are like $20 for a hand sanitizer. That's insane to me. Hand sanitizer should be like $5 or less. Okay, that's just my opinion. But yeah, I saw this on Temu and I was like, I don't have one. I'm gonna go ahead and get one because I'm pretty much always using hand sanitizer. So I'll probably go ahead and pop this in my purse, or this would even be perfect for your car as well. So yeah. Okay, next I have some watches to show you guys. I'll start with this one first. This one like immediately caught my attention. I love the way this one looks. So as you guys can see, it does have like the green face on it and then the gold watch. I think it's so nice. I just love that color combo together. I think it looks so sleek. I just know this is gonna look so nice. I love it. So it is a little bit big on me, which is honestly nothing new. I'm pretty used to that. But it does come with this little tool right here, which I think is for the sizing. I'll be completely honest, I don't know much about watches, so I don't know if this is to make it smaller or larger. Not 100% sure, but if I can make it a little bit smaller, that would be absolutely perfect. I do prefer a smaller kind of dainty watch like this over the larger ones. I just feel like a big watch on my wrist would look kind of ridiculous. It's just so pretty. I love the way it looks. It was also a great price as well. And honestly, it feels pretty nice and heavy and like decent quality. I don't know if it will turn yet. I hope it doesn't, but you know, when it comes to cheaper jewelry, sometimes that can happen. But yeah, I guess we'll see. And hopefully I can get it sized down and actually fit me. And this next watch here is so cute. So it's even smaller than the green one. Look how pretty that is, you guys. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. I can't even figure out right now how to actually put this on, but I'm gonna just show you guys what it would kind of look like on the arm so you can get an idea, but that's it right there. So pretty. And again, it also came with one of these little tools, but it does seem like it's going to be a touch too big for me, so I will see if I can size it down. Hopefully I can. Okay, you guys, this next piece of jewelry here, I've genuinely been trying to untangle this for probably the past almost 10 minutes, and I cannot get it untangled. But what I will do, obviously you'll see the picture of what it actually looks like right up here, but mine is just completely tangled up in a little bundle right there. But unfortunately, I can't even wear this anyways because this is an initial little charm necklace, and for some reason they accidentally sent me a W instead of an M. So as you guys can see, there is the W. I thought at first, oh, it's just hanging the wrong way and it is an M, but unfortunately it's put on like that so you can't switch it around. But yeah, unfortunately I got a W. And I don't even think I know anybody with a W name, so I can't even give this to anybody, but it is really cute. I love how it has all the little charms on it. It has like a sun, a seashell, it has a little starfish, a little pearl. It's so cute, but I don't think I will ever be able to untangle this ever again. I am obsessed with the Van Cleef bracelet dupes. I have one on right now, as you guys can see. So I went ahead and I got another one, and this is what it looks like right here, if that'll go ahead and focus. So it's just a little white flower and then it has the crystals around it. I just think that's so adorable. Even just wearing like all this together, how pretty is that? And so cheap, you guys, as well. I always say this, but Temu is one of my favorite places to get like cheap and affordable jewelry. Okay, next I got a little ring and I thought this was absolutely adorable. So I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but it's almost like a chained kind of crystally diamond look. Actually, just go ahead and put this on so you can see a little bit better. But that's it right there. I think that's so cute. Oh my goodness. Also, this ring is not adjustable. I believe it got size 5 or 6 in this, which is like my typical ring size. Ooh, okay, next, I'm actually super excited about these. So I noticed for some reason I didn't have like a nice pair of kind of chunkier gold hoops, so I got some on Temu. This is probably gonna be a little bit hard to show, but that's what they look like right there, just a chunky pair of hoops. And what I love about these, you guys, they're so lightweight. There's nothing to these, which most of the time when it comes to this chunkier style of jewelry, there's always some weight to it. But it's so light, I love it. I know it's gonna be really comfy to wear as well, because I hate when earrings like drag down your ears. hate it. Really happy with these. I think they're awesome and just such a perfect little staple earring. The rest of the jewelry is literally all earrings. I must have went earring crazy. Next we have these cute little ones right here. I saw these and I just instantly had to have them. So they're a little seashell with the pearl there. I think that's so adorable. I love how just like dainty and small these are, and obviously super light. There's nothing to these. Next we have these, and I thought these were kind of like a little different take on your basic hoop. So that's what they look like right there. As you guys can see, it has like 3 different sections to it. I thought that was so pretty. I love the pearls in the middle there. My only thing is I do wish the gold was maybe like a tad bit less yellow. I don't know if you guys can really tell on camera that much, but it's definitely more of like a yellow kind of gold. But honestly, for the price, you really can't complain. Okay, these last earrings I had to get. They're so pretty. So they are just a pair of hoops, but as you guys can see, they have these cute little flowers on them. How pretty is that? And I really lucked out this time with all the earrings being super lightweight, so I love that. But these are absolutely adorable. Love these. Right, and to finish this haul off, I do have a couple makeup products, so I'll start with the brush first. So I picked up this little eyeshadow fluffy blending brush, and I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it has these little divots right here in the handle, and I love that. It just makes it a little bit easier to hold. I have had the same eyeshadow blending brush for years. I couldn't even tell you how long I've had it. And honestly, I wanted a new one just to switch it up. This one feels really nice and fluffy, and I love how it's not super dense. When it comes to obviously a blending brush, you want something that's a little bit loose, something that's gonna easily blend it out. So this feels like it's gonna be really nice. Ooh, actually, I'm seeing a couple hairs come off already, so that might be a little bit of an issue, but I think what I'm gonna do is give this a good quick wash and just kind of get any of the excess little brush hairs out of there, and hopefully we'll be good and no more shedding after that. But honestly, this was super cheap anyways, so yeah. I am obsessed with lip stain in the form of a marker. I just think it's the best thing ever. So I saw this pack of 4, I had to have it. So these are the colors that you get right here. We have a couple more kind of vibrant red ones here, and then a little bit more on the neutral side. I really like this one here. So that's what they look like swatched there, and honestly, I really like that the vibrant ones aren't like super crazy. I prefer something a little bit more muted, but yeah, these look like they're gonna be really nice. Definitely very excited about these. Can't wait to actually try them out on the lips. We'll see how long they actually last, because obviously when it comes to a lip stain, I want it to last. Like, that's kind of the main point of a lip stain. All right, you guys, so that is actually gonna be everything in today's haul. I absolutely love everything that I got. I'm so impressed with everything. The shoes, the bags, the accessories, love it all. Also, like I said in the beginning, if you guys do want to get that coupon bundle, don't forget to search my code right here. And again, everything will be in the description bar below. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe, because I would really appreciate that. Also, if you want to go ahead and keep up with me outside of YouTube, I do have TikTok and Instagram, and I'll go ahead and leave those down below. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.